the part 3. Okay. Now let's open. I think we need like part 6 because there's a lot and the time goes so fast. First thing on the Hello Kitty. Oh, did I sing well? Like Okay, I'm sorry guys. Let's get doing it. Got Toy Story, this penguin thing. The packaging is so cute. Okay, I'm glitching, guys. So I'm sorry, but we have to keep going, guys. This penguin thing, this Hello Kitty, little big. Oh, I think I just cut the car. And it's cinnamon. I'm sorry, my friend. Oh. Cinnamon. And what's Coroni. Oh my God, there's a lot. It's the different one. This Look at this, guys. It's so much and oh my God. Let's get started real quick. Hello Kitty. This penguin thing. Cinnamon roll. So nice. I'm going fast. Cinnamon roll. Oh, cinnamon roll. Coroni. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Bye, guys.